Well, it's Friday out today.
As you can tell from the weather,
Sunny Friday in the Sunshine State.
that can only mean one thing.
You know what that is? Old-fashioned Friday.
Yeah,
Guaranteed.
guaranteed.
Now today we're heading over to the whiskey bar up on 2nd Avenue.
It's got to be good with a name like that.
It has to be fantastic.
Jim Morrison with the Doors had a song about the whiskey bar.
Oh, that's true.
Was it this one in Seattle?
It could be this one. To the next whiskey bar, I think it
Yeah.
was. Now, how is this going to compare to the dealer room? Is it going to topple it? Or going to get like a 12.25 out of 10?
Well, luckily we did go back to the dealer room, did a quality check,
Quality control.
found out there's still a 12 out of 10. But this place is called The Whiskey Bar.
Yeah, so
So it's definitely going to beat the dealer room today.
it's going to have to be good,
Gonna have to be.
guaranteed.
Yeah. So I guess it's going to be somewhere around a 13 out of 10. Is my prediction right now.
13 out of 10?
13 out of 10, yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. More than likely,
Well, we're going to have to see.
yeah. What do you think?
I'll say we're going to get like a 9 out of it.
Really?
Oh, I mean, they should be able to know how to make an old fashioned, but what you guys is, you guys ever been to the whiskey bar? You guys know anything about it or tried them out? Let us know.
Whiskey bar.
No? Shake and bake.
Local whiskey here from Bainbridge Island, huh?
Bainbridge.
Like what the proof was or anything?
Man, that smells amazing.
Yeah, it smells really amazing. I thought so too.
Jeez, I don't know.
Citrusy, huh? On the top.
What do you think? Is that knocking your Aunt Connie's socks off?
That's pretty good.
Do you have an Aunt Connie?
I should.
Well, if you did, would her socks be knocked off?
Maybe pretty much knocked off.
Oh, that's different.
It's different, huh?
It's kind of like a Coca-Cola. It's like a Coke.
What? Coca-Cola.
I'm getting like a Coca-Cola. So this is not going up the nose like
No,
the
not at
last.
all.
This
Not
is
at all.
like smooth Coca-Cola.
That's interesting. That's
What?
an interesting description there.
What's like a Coca-Cola old-fashioned? That should be called. Coke original, not new Coke, old Coke.
This is old Coke. The original, huh?
Yeah, this is
That's good. Bainbridge Island. It's definitely super smooth.
yeah, it's a smoother old-fashioned than that first one.
Yeah. I play it seems like a lot of punk rock and old metal in here.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. A little Motorhead right now.
Yeah.
When we first got in here, I was hearing a lot of punk rock.
Oh, so what are you thinking about this old-fashioned now?
We take one more final sip. And
Yeah, let me see here.
settle it out. You know, it's funny though, like you don't, like if you smell it, when I first smelled it, all this smell was orange.
Yeah, so did I.
Super smooth, you
Yeah.
know, no like burning vapors or anything. It's funny that you say Coke. I keep thinking about it. I keep thinking like in the
You're
head,
thinking
like
Coca-Cola classic, old-fashioned.
I was like, yeah, because you're kind of right.
That first sip was like a Coca-Cola classic, man. I mean, seriously.
I'll be interested to see what Bainbridge on that particular whiskey, like what they're saying, like it's what their flavors
yeah.
are, you know. But
I'd be curious.
I would give that. Sorry for all the smacking of the lips and everything. I want to say like a 8.3, I think. I really like it.
I was gonna say 8.25.
8.25.
Yeah.
You've been doing the 2 digits after the decimal, I noticed lately.
Well,
the last couple of times.
Well, even before you said something, I'm like thinking this is the last one was like a 7.9. A little bit of harshness, a little bit of like lacking on the
Yeah.
sweetness, on the sugars.
Yeah.
So I was thinking this one is a lot smoother, better balanced, like crazy Coca-Cola old-fashioned vibes. I'm like, and that's why I was going to say, I'd say like 8.25.
Well, it's funny because I was in my brain ping-ponging back and forth. 8.2 or 8.3? 8.2 or 8.3? And I just thought, I'm just going to call it 8.3 because it's pretty freaking good. And I like that it's a local
Oh yeah,
whiskey.
I'll give it 8.3 for that then.
Yeah.
Got to support Washington State
Yeah, AKA the Sunshine State.
whiskey. Well, that's a good Washington whiskey. Do you think we should do one more?
Couldn't hurt.